Legends of Learning presents the Earthbound Expedition Counting Cinder game. This is a math game that makes learning about counting objects fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, players guide Victor through different mining environments where they must count and interact with magical cinders arranged in formations such as lines, rectangles, circles, and scattered patterns. By carefully counting and igniting the cinders, players clear obstacles and reveal valuable stones hidden beneath them. As the adventure continues, formations become more challenging, while magical power-ups and satisfying visual effects keep the gameplay exciting and rewarding. Use the mouse to click to select different objects and insert numbers to solve counting questions. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.